Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks today. This one is Wyatt. I'm Laura. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you see a tan puppy, that's Cena, but she's on semi-retirement mode. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey. We're kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, and you get some life in there. It is Sunday morning. The sun is now starting to come out. 50 degrees, it's getting up to 54, and I can't believe Thanksgiving is not that far away already. Next week. It's next week. How is that? Has anyone started their Christmas shopping yet? I have not. So for outfit of the day today, I am wearing a Wantable outfit. I have hidden denim and a Z Supply sweatshirt. I kept it casual. I had some work to do outside, trying to get my outside organized for winter and as much covered as possible of my outside furniture. And then videos to film today, and I'm still trying to organize myself for the week. Lots of housework to do since I feel like I've been away for so much time. Things are starting to pile up. And for shoes, I love these. Are these not the funnest shoes? So I wear these when I'm driving in my car for long periods of time, like especially when I go back and forth to work, and then put on my work shoes when I get there. These are by Dolce Vita, and they are so super comfy on. So I'm wearing those today. And for jewelry, I just have gold hoops on. That's my outfit. All right. Well, I hope you're doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is 58 degrees outside. That's the high. It's going down from here. It is late in the day for me to be doing this. I tend to like to do it before lunchtime. It is almost dinner time when I'm finally getting a chance to do this. And I have crap everywhere. I'm traveling this week, plus I was starting to get ready to do another video, but ran out of time. So if you see a mess, that's why. And my Stitch Fix posted today. So it was the first time I got more than 5 items. I picked 7 from the preview. My stylist did an amazing job. Her name is Janina. In the end, when I really got down to what did I feel like I couldn't live without, I ended up going with the Bella Doll slouchy V-neck sweater. So I like that brown, yummy, chocolate brown sweater that just felt so warm on. And then the Avec double-breasted faux shearling coat. I just really enjoyed that one as well. I wanted one very similar last year and it didn't work out, so when I saw this one I decided to go for it. So those were my keepers. For outfit of the day today, I have on a Cabi outfit, Cabi pants, Cabi top, Cabi jacket. I decided to be completely monochromatic today and went with Dolce Vita shoes, also in the green. And I actually have a Cabi necklace on also. All Cabi. Like I said, other than my shoes, all Cabi. Put on my smaller hoops. I don't even have my bracelet stuck on today because of the jacket, but that's my outfit. All right, I will catch you tomorrow with another one. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is 60 degrees outside. It's supposed to get up to 64 today. It's not going to be bad. I think tomorrow's going to be the same, and then Wednesday it's snow. So go figure. All right, so yesterday I believe I shared my keepers with you for my Stitch Fix, but I didn't tell you why I didn't keep the things that I didn't keep. And I know you're probably wondering, why didn't I keep that Bernardo faux fur jacket, which was just so lush and beautiful. And it was, and I loved it. And the reason I didn't keep it, because when I did my closet clean out, I had a bunch of black fur jackets. So in retrospect, I requested it as part of the preview, but then I thought, I already have some, so I'm not going to add another one to my closet. And then the Pistola high rise wide leg denim, I loved them, but I have other wide leg denim, so I figured I didn't need it to add another pair. The Vigos patch pocket balloon pant, that was the olive pant. I felt like there was something a little bit messed up with the fit for me. So dimension wise, like I didn't feel like it was sitting everywhere in the proper place and the length was right. So that's why I returned that. There was just something off on my body that I didn't think was perfect. So I didn't end up keeping those. The Z Supply crew neck sweater, that dark gray, you guys obviously know why I didn't keep that one. It had the high neck. And then the Saltwater Luxe birdie sweater that was in tan, I just didn't love it enough for the price tag. That's why I ended up with the 2 that I kept. Let's get into today's outfit of the day. I have on Mother Denim, an Evereve lace top. I put a Z Supply tank on underneath it. For my shoes, these Treasure and Bond. Got in a trunk club once upon a time. I still miss that box a lot. And then for jewelry, I have on Ana Luisa necklace, my big hoops. I have on my Ana Luisa bracelet. You may remember that one. And then my regular bracelet stack. And that's my outfit today. Why is the only one joining? I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's here. Zena's asleep. Harvey's asleep. So it's just Wyatt and I today. Hope you're doing amazing, and I will catch you tomorrow pretty early in the morning since I am off again. See you then. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. No, it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. My Mott and Bow video post today, and it is so much fabulosity. If you need luxe basics, you have to check out Mott and Bow. They have the best items that you will pick over and over and over, year after year. So please check that video out. And can you tell it is early in the morning for me? I am like wired, and it is 4:42. I've got to hit the road. For today's outfit, I chose Z Supply denim from a Wantable. I have on a tank from White House Black Market, as well as the jacket is from White House Black Market. For shoes, had to add a little bit of pizzazz, so I added these from Dolce Vita. I got in Trendsend many, many moons ago. And then I have on a gold belt. For jewelry, Ana Luisa necklace, gold hoops, bracelet stack. I'm set. Today is going to be not too bad. It's 54 now, getting up to 65. But tomorrow, for my drive home, we're supposed to get snow. I would expect it to just be a little bit of flurries, but snow all the same. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. The temperatures have dropped and it is now 39. It's going to be a high of 48 here. It's colder at home, and I believe we're going to start getting some snow flurries the next couple of days. Fun. All right, let's see. For outfit of the day today, I chose Paige Denim. I have on a Evereve top, like this one. I got it, I think, might have been last year or the year before, in a Trendsend. Paired it with this jacket from White House Black Market. You're going to see in the upcoming haul. I love this jacket. And these amazing boots. You're also going to see an upcoming haul. I love these with the gold toe. Hopefully you're really getting these. They are by Dolce Vita. My jewelry is the same as yesterday. Ana Luisa necklace, the gold hoops, my bracelet stack, which you can't even see here. And then I did grab a coat since it's cold today. This one is by Z Supply. And I think I'm ready. All right, well, tomorrow is Happy Dance, and I'll see you then. Hey, everybody. Guess what day it is? We made it. Wyatt cracks me up. He's so silly. We made it. We woke up to an incredibly snowy day. There's no grass in sight. It's all gone. Everything's under snow cover. Yeah. It's freezing. The temperature is freezing. And Wyatt loves it. Wyatt doesn't mind the snow, huh? You don't mind the cold. Zena does not like it. She wants no parts of it, which I don't blame her. That's how I feel. And let's see. I don't think I have any updates for you. I've kept you up to date, I think, on my boxes this week. And for today's outfit, I did an outfit from my Cozy Tober Wantable box, my Z Supply cozy sweater, my Dear John pants, my vest from Thread and Supply. Yeah, Thread and Supply. And then for shoes, I don't know. I still just want slide-on shoes. So I went for these Dolce Vita mules that I got in a Trendsend. Jewelry, I just put in my big hoops. I didn't put anything else on except for my rings because, you know, because my sleeves are covered. You can't see my bracelets, and yeah, I didn't feel like a necklace today, I guess. You can tell it's like the end of a week, right? It feels like the end of a long week. So, all right, tomorrow we got one more outfit. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for outfit of the day. And I grabbed Harvey while I could. He's the only one that came in with me this morning. And he's getting ready to jump down. It is a rainy day today now at 39 degrees, getting up to 45. It's been raining since I woke up, so it's kind of melting some of that snow that came yesterday, because we probably got a couple inches yesterday. It was more than I had expected. And today my Armoire video post, you'll get to see that green jacket again. Do you not love that trench? I do have to tell you that I kept the trench, and I actually kept the matching V-neck top to go with it. I thought they paired well together, so I ended up keeping both of those from that Armoire box. But I love the whole box. It was or the whole collection. It was a really, really good one. For my final outfit this week, I'm in a Trendsend outfit. I have on Citizens of Humanity denim. I'm pretty sure I got these probably last year or maybe even the year before. Paired it with this awesome Dreamer sweatshirt, basically. Def Leopard. I love it. I love the color. I love the pattern. And then my vest is Avec, right? Yeah, Avec. So warm and cozy because it is a little chilly outside, all from Trendsend. And then for shoes, I threw these on, my Dolce Vitas. I really don't want to have to like really get into wearing nothing but boots until I absolutely have to. So I think these will work for me today. For jewelry, I have on gold hoops. I have on my mom's necklace you've seen before, and just my rings. That's it. I'm ready to go. Share which outfit is your favorite this week, and I will list all of my outfits down below. Many come from my closet, some come from boxes. I will put a direct link to them if I can, but I'll also let you know which boxes they come from, as well as all the links to the boxes if you'd like to check any of them out. Thanks so much for hanging out with me this week. I so appreciated it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.